Hi there, I'm going to show you how to assign this memory book project in Google Classroom. Right now I'm in my Google Drive and I can see all my recent items, and if you recently purchased this, it'll show right up here at the top, but you can always scroll down to see all of your different items, and here it is. I want to assign this in Google Classroom so my students can use it and have fun with it. So I'm going to hop on over to Google Classroom. I click on Classwork, Create, Assignment. I can give it a title, I can write in some instructions, and then when I'm ready, I click on Add Google Drive because that's where the file is. And it's right here since I accessed it recently. If not, you can search for it. I'm going to double click. And there it is. Super important that I click here. Students make a copy for each student because every kid needs to have their own memory book that they can work on. And then you can look at these parameters here if you want it graded or not, if there's a due date or not, and if it falls into a different specific subject or topic. If you want it for all of your students, you can give it to all your students. If you want it for just half or one of the students, that's fine too. And you can also schedule it. So I can schedule to assign it for the last week of school if I want to. All right, so that's how you assign it to your students. Click Assign whenever you're ready.